going to show you my water setup. 3 stainless steel hoses. This here's our water softener. This here's a connection hose to the water softener and the water spigot. And then I do use this contraption. So let me show you how all these here go together, and I'll show you why I use stainless steel hoses. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook everything up to this water spigot. Make sure the water is on. So the water is on. I hook this to my water spigot. Right. This is my connection to my water softener. Now what you can see is I have the water regulator, the Y, and another Y, because I'm going to hook 3 hoses to this, and I can control all of them from here. This one I always use for my drinking water into my water softener, and then this one here is for the black water flush, and then this one here is for my hose that I use on the other side. So let me show you. I have 3 stainless steel hoses. This one I marked with a yellow paint marker. This one here you can always know is my black water hose. These 2 are either the hose or the drinking water. Doesn't really matter, but what I want to show you is that this is the quick connect that's on here. So I'll show you what's really cool about that. And here's one thing I want to show you. I use brass quick connects, and the reason I do that is because it makes it real easy for these to be just put together. So you just pull back on a little ring and they connect. So the other good part about that is, let's say that I have my hose and it's all spread out. What I can do is I start rolling this up, and you can roll it up pretty compact. It really, and then once you get it all rolled up, you can take these 2, connect them together, and now your hose is the way it is. And again, doesn't really tangle. So once I pull it back apart, I just take it, do what I want with it. Now I'll take my quick connect, connect it into here. Then this hose runs to my flush. And the last hose that I have hooks it for my spray. And that right there is my 3 hoses. Hook into my water softener, my water, my sewer flush, my hose for the other side.
Tanks full, where is empty, living